Hi everybody, just wanted to give you guys a quick little demo of this app I've built for the NHL LED Scoreboard project. It's going to help you create and manage your configurations, it gives you a quick little resource monitor, and helps restart the board if you happen to change any of said configurations. I'm hoping to add a couple features in the future and kind of simplify the dashboard. But for now, I'll give you guys a quick little look. The default login is admin, the password is scoreboard. So at the dashboard here, it just shows us today's games from the NHL API. We get a nice little resource monitor that shows us our CPU, memory, and disk usage on the Raspberry Pi. And it also shows us if we have an active profile set for our scoreboard. For now, I'm just going to go in here and create a new profile. So this profile is filled with all of the default values. We're just going to go in and change a couple things as a quick little demonstration. We're going to turn the screensaver off. Maybe we'll add a couple boards as well. And we'll add our weather board in here. So that's good enough for now. Leave the debug off, and we'll also make this the active profile. The second you activate a profile, it's going to restart the scoreboard process and load that config in for you. So any changes you've made should be applied immediately as long as they're valid. There's a couple other commands here. There's a stop server command if you want to shut down the web interface, as well as a reboot and shutdown for the Pi. Other than that, I think it's pretty straightforward. If you want to edit or back up any of your configurations, you can do so from the Profiles dashboard. There's a backup button here. If you choose to back it up, it'll show you the path to where you saved it. And if you want to edit a configuration, it'll load the form with that current with the current data from that configuration file. So we'll make the change, it'll restart our board for us, apply any changes, and we're off and running again. As you can see, it's mobile friendly as well, which is very nice if you're using a phone to access this or want to make a couple quick changes. And you can check out the full README on GitHub if you want to check out all the nitty-gritty details. If you're changing any default installation directories, you can do that. There's some info here in the info and troubleshooting section. And specifically, you'd want to check out the constant settings in the admin panel for that. So in the admin panel, default settings are under constants here. These would be like the supervisor program names for both the GUI or the scoreboard project, or the default directory for the NHL scoreboard. And you can also edit the raw JSON for your configurations in here. You can go in and make any manual changes if you so wish to do so. And again, if you save those changes, it'll restart our process and apply them for us. And you're ready to go. So I hope you guys like this little project. If you have any issues, feature suggestions, or just general comments, feel free to leave them below or reach out on GitHub with the issues section. And I hope you guys enjoy it. Take care.